Hey everyone, welcome back to Geek's Garage. So if you've been following along, or if you haven't been following along, most recently we started putting the engine back together. I got most of the lower half done. All the pistons were in, and I tried to give it a full crank, and it wouldn't fully crank. It'd only rotate about 350 degrees, 359 degrees, but never making a full complete revolution. So in the last video I went in, figured out exactly what was going on, and fixed that. So we're now back to square, I don't know, 1.5, square one maybe, and I'm going to go ahead and re-put all of the pistons back in, and so that I can really move on to the next step. So what you're going to see today is just me putting all the pistons back in yet again. It should go pretty quick, I hope, since I've already done it 6 times before. And then we can really start, some more next steps, maybe putting the oil pump on, the main seal, things like that. So here we go. While I was working on the engine, my wife stopped by and decided to give a little bit of a commentary on how she thought I was doing. Okay, now stand in front and give your commentary on how the engine's coming along, and I'll put it in the YouTube video.
But it's not like spontaneous anymore. Because I was gonna say, I mean, I came out here and I looked at it and I said it looked great, and you said thank you. And I said I really don't know a lot. I really don't know a lot about any of this, but I will say that the thing I can say about it is it looks cleaner than it did. And you said thank you.
Exactly.
Is that gonna make it?
The dance probably will.
All right.
And there we have it. We are back to where we were about a week before. It now spins. We get a nice 360-degree rotation. You can see pistons are moving. Everything's nice and happy. I am a happy camper. We can move on to some of the next steps. Getting the oil pump mounted, getting the rear seal installed. Those are probably going to be two of the next things that I do. Along with starting to mount some of the brackets back onto the engine. So with that, stay tuned. Be sure that you leave any comments down below. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, all those fun things that I say every time. We're up to over 160 subscribers now, which is really cool. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And leave comments down below. I'd love to hear what you think about the progress that I'm making. And with that, see ya.